Okay, guys, for today's class, we are going to perform a workshop. I don't know why I say we. You are going to perform a workshop about complex numbers and functions. All we already saw in this third term, okay? So you only have these 5 exercises, and 4 of the 5 exercises are about functions because this is the topic we see the most. The A, it's about complex numbers that we already saw it like, oh, long time ago. And this one is from linear functions. This is for quadratic functions. This is for logarithmic functions. And the last one is for exponential functions, okay? So this is an activity you must deliver to classroom. So that's all. That will be all. So thank you very much for your attention. You're being so kind, and good luck because you're going to need. Okay, no, you're not going to need that. The only thing you're going to need is your notebook with all of your exercises we already did in our last classes. This is all you're going to need. And me, if you want me, I'm here. So see you in another video. Bye bye.